Hello, have you ever wondered how data is being sent from one devices to another, or basically how two devices actually communicate? Now, that is what we call networking. In cybersecurity, I'm going to explain networking for you in less than 2 minutes. So stay tuned while I explain networking for you. Now, let us talk about networking. I'm going to summarize network for you in less than 2 minutes. Now, when we talk about networking, it means connecting devices together so that they can share data. When we talk about devices, it can be your mobile phones, your laptop, and the internet. Let us say, for example, you are able to access a website via the internet. That is what we call networking. Let us say, for example, you are able to send a file from your phone to someone else's phone using Bluetooth. That is what we call networking. Another example is that we are able to send a message to your loved ones, probably on WhatsApp. That is what we also call networking. It means that it enables the communication or the connection to make sure that data is being sent from one devices to another. Take this whole scenario for example. Whenever you build a house and there's no road, it means that there's no way someone else can visit you. It means that houses being built, for example, you have 2 or 3 houses and there's a connection whereby there's a road there. It means that there's a total connection between these houses and other houses. It means you can visit your friends at any time that you want. That is what we call networking. If there's no networking, there's no way devices can share data, there's no way you can send message to your loved ones. In networking, there's what we call addressing. That's why you have MAC addresses, IP addresses. I'm going to touch that in our next video. There's what we call routing. Yeah, we'll talk about routing means that it's an agreed path for the data to send, right? That's what we call routing. There's what we call protocols. Talk about protocols means agreed rules of how data can be sent, how they can actually communicate. That is why I'm going to explain more about these protocols. You have the TCP, UDP, IP here, and then all these are protocols that I'm going to touch in our next video. I'm still going to touch more about the OSI model, which is Open System Interconnections. Yeah, I'm still going to touch that so that we have the basic 7 layers of the OSI model, of which I'm going to touch in our next video. So stay tuned, learn more. Make sure you subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you.